Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll jump straight into recovering the key, so make sure you're signed in as an administrator and have physical access to the device. Open an elevated command prompt now. This is faster than digging through menus. Once open, run the wmic command to query the software licensing service for an OEM-embedded product key. This returns the BIOS/UEFI stored key when present, and explains why this first step often succeeds on pre-built or OEM machines. If you see a key, write it down securely. If the wmic query didn't yield a key, switch to PowerShell and run the getWMI object command to reach the same license store, but with different system access. Sometimes it returns results where wmic did not. Next, open Settings, go to System then Activation to confirm whether Windows is activated with a digital license tied to your Microsoft account. This is why many modern PCs lack a printable key. If you still need a key, consider exporting the Registry Software Protection Platform backups, or once you retrieve a key or confirm a digital license, store that information in a secure password manager and sign into Windows with your Microsoft account so the license links to your identity. This prevents future loss. To apply a key, open Settings, Activation, select Change Product Key, and paste the key, then follow activation prompts. If attempts fail or the query returns null, make sure UEFI holds the key. Check for hardware reimaging that removes OEM keys, or contact the OEM/Microsoft support. That's the single most useful troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.